loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylan Alex and we are here with another video, obviously. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe so that you'll, be a part of all of the greatness that happens over here. And if you're returning, thank you for tuning in. I do want to just go ahead and put this disclaimer out there. I hate disclaimers. I actually hate when I click on videos and people do disclaimers, but I'm just gonna go ahead and forewarn you. I like to invest my money in quality items that I know that are gonna be around for a long time, that have resale value, and this is just what I like to do. So if that bothers you or you're offended by the things that I like to spend my money on, this may not be the video for you. But if you're interested in seeing what I like, the shoes that I'm pretty much wearing throughout the summer, then continue watching. So yeah, let's just get into the video. I'm gonna be sharing my favorite summer sandals with you. I kind of have quite a few. All of these aren't in necessarily like heavy rotation. There's a few that about 3 or 4 pair that I switch out pretty much every day. But for the most part, this is my collection of summer sandals. So let's just get started. And these are in no particular order, no particular, preference. I kind of just have my stack right here and I'm going by whatever I pick up first. That's what we're working with. So this first pair of sandals are a pair that are my favorite. I've probably had them for about 6 years. I always get so many compliments on them. They're these Louis Vuitton sandals with the LV logo up top. I always get so many compliments on these shoes and people are like, where did you get them? I'm like, Louis Vuitton, but it was years ago. They don't even have, obviously, this style anymore. I will try to link a similar pair, but honestly, none have come close to this. Like, just look at this. This is my favorite part because obviously it's a large logo, but it's when you're wearing it, it's not so, in your face. It kind of it looks subtle, chic, and very cute. So I typically wear these with a dressier outfit, or if I'm going to brunch or something, this is probably like the sandal that I would wear because, it's kind of like, it could be dressed up. So this is like one of those shoes. This is a size 39. So I'm a true US 8. However, in European sizes, I typically am a 38.5 or a 39. It depends because my foot is slightly wide. So European sizes, I have to go up because of the width of my foot, and then they kind of run smaller. Italian sizes is a whole nother ball game, but we'll get to that at some point. This next pair is one of my favorite brands of life. These are a pair of Chanel's. These have gotten a lot of wear. I just bought them last summer, but they've already got quite a bit of wear. They are these sandals, so cute. I love that they have the gold hardware and they're nude. Now, as you can see, me wearing them just within like a season, 1 year, they've already started to wear in the insole of the shoe, in the sole of the shoe, which kind of bothers me, but it's to be expected. This is a very delicate leather. It's the lambskin. So I'm extra cautious on, how I'm wearing them. However, I do typically gravitate towards these like as an everyday shoe. So that's kind of like why they look so worn. And as you can see down here, the Chanel is kind of fading, which honestly bothers me a little bit because I feel like I don't want that stamp to fade. It's inevitable though. So this is a 39 as well. This next pair of shoes is a pair that literally everyone and their mom has them. And if you don't have them, it's like, wow, you're cool. But it's these Gucci pull slides. These are pretty much my everyday slides. Like when I'm running errands, going to get food, going to check the mailbox, random stuff like that. This is what I have on. I'm wearing them right now. Sometimes I wear them around the house as like house slippers, but I try not to because I don't like to track dirt around the house, you know, whatever. But it's these slides. They are in a 38. Gucci typically runs either true to size or slightly bigger. So like my sneakers are either a 37 and a half or a 38. And I am a true US 8 in women's. So this next pair is another brand that I mentioned as a, you know, brand that holds its value. It's gonna be these Hermes. Oh, I just love these orange boxes. It's gonna be a pair of Hermes. It's gonna be a pair of Hermes slides. So I have these Oran, I think, sandals in white, obviously. I have them in a 39. These are probably another pair that are in the rotation of daily worn shoes. I love these shoes so much. They go with pretty much everything. I can wear them with jeans. Sometimes if I'm wearing like sweats or just something chill to run errands, I'll put these on too because it kind of like glams the look up a little bit more. I do plan to get these in 2 other colors. I want to get them in the pink color, and for sure because pink is my favorite color. And I'm trying to decide if I want to get another neutral tone like the saddle brown color, or if I want to get them in another color like blue or something like that. I've seen a lot of reviews of people saying that these are uncomfortable to wear. However, I haven't had that issue. Again, I'm not wearing them for long periods of times, like out on vacation, just wearing them for hours and hours. I'm kind of just slipping them on to go different places. And I have not noticed a problem with them. And when I did take them on vacation, I had no problems. I didn't have blisters or anything. So I don't really know. I've not had that experience with these sandals. The leather is very soft. It's also like, it's not as delicate like the lambskin that the Chanels are made with, but it's definitely a soft leather. It kind of creases a little at the toe. These were actually a purchase for my birthday last year. I bought these for myself for my birthday, so that was pretty cool. I love that for me. So the next pair of shoes is, we talked about this in the last video. If you have not seen it, go watch it. It's gonna be linked right here. This pair of shoes is one of the pairs that are in heavy rotation. I probably have about 4 or 5, maybe like 4 pair of shoes that I typically wear every day, or one of the other gets worn every day. This is one of them. It's the Dior sandals. I love these so much. Now, these are very comfortable. They go with everything. As you can see, the stamp has worn on the heels, which really bothers me because I feel like I want the stamp to stay no matter, you know, how often I wear them, but it's inevitable. Your feet sweat, you wear your shoes, it's gonna fade a little bit. But I wear these shoes so much. They look great with everything. They could be dressed up or dressed down. And I really like that. They're also comfortable. And I like that the top of it, like near the toe box, isn't super, it's not super wide. Like it kind of narrows a bit up here so it keeps and holds your foot. For my mom, she has a narrow foot. So this sandal actually holds her foot in the shoe and there's not like a lot of space in the back. My foot is wider, so I've never really had that problem. But really like this shoe, really recommend it. I have it in a 38 and a half. This next shoe is definitely a trendy shoe that I think may be around for a little while. It's this huge box, but it's this Gucci pair of shoes. So these shoes have not gotten as much wear from me as the other ones, but I think they're so cute and worth adding to the collection. It's the Gucci platform sandals or slides, if you will. I just love the Gucci print on them and the red color. I think it complements so well These shoes can be worn dressed up or dressed down as well. You can definitely wear these with a pair of jeans and a cute shirt, or some sweats and just like, you know, a shirt. Is all about how you wear them. They are pretty comfortable. This inside material is it's sturdy, and it's not like you can't just squish it down and it, you know, it'll deflate or whatever. So I like that it's made pretty well, but it's also comfortable. So just because it's kind of heavy and like a block, it's not uncomfortable. These are a 38.5. Like I said, Gucci typically runs true to size or just a little bit bigger, but I did get these in a 38.5 because sandals or mules typically run shorter anyway. So you would either have to go up a size, typically go up a size, or you can fit your normal size. So for me, I typically have to go up a size because my foot is slightly wider. This shoe is definitely heavy. Like it feels like it has some weight to it. So when you're wearing it, or when I wear it, I definitely feel like I have to pick up my feet so I don't trip. But I think that they're so cute, and it's like, it's not that big of an adjustment for me because I think about it like wearing heels. You have to pick up your foot and walk with them. So this is just no different, except it is like a slide and a sandal. So it's kind of like a flip-flop. You just gotta pick up your feet when you're wearing it. Next we have another one of my favorites. You guessed it, Chanel. This pair I have not had a chance to wear because I purchased them back in February. I like to buy my shoes pre-season, so now that it's like coming into summer and midsummer around July, I like to start shopping for fall and winter, because the shoes that I typically love and have to have, they will sell out when the season hits. So I like to get mine before the season hit so that I don't have the problem of trying to rush and look around to try to find it. Also, I want to have time to wear the shoes, so I like to get it the season before, so as soon as it started getting, you know, hot or cold, I can start getting use out of the shoe and I'm not just, you know, barely wearing it. I don't know. I just like to shop pre-season. So these are just so cute. It's these Birkenstock style Chanels. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to wear this shoe. It fits so good and it's so comfortable. I think it's so cute. This nude color. I love nude shoes. I think that they go with everything, and I don't know. I think it complements my skin pretty well. And I just love how the gold hardware just makes the shoe look so bomb. And this is like the perfect beach shoe or, you know, vacation shoe. Can also be worn with pretty much anything. Perfect casual shoe. I just love it so much. I have it in a 39. Typically, these shoes run pretty true to size or slightly small. So this particular style, I had to get a 39 in, as with all of my other shoes, because European sizes is different. But they have another style, which my sister has, in the leather, and I think the new finish is that denim that you've probably seen. Those run a little bit bigger than these. So I tried on that pair, but I preferred this one. But in that leather pair, I actually could have worn a 38, which is my true US size, as opposed to these where they were slightly smaller. So I did get them in a 39. Like I said, I have not worn them, but I cannot wait to. The last pair that I have to share are these Louis Vuitton sandals. Oh my goodness, I love these so much. I love the patchwork that are on them. These are definitely a pair of shoes that I wear a lot. I like that they are the leather. I like that the sole is pretty sturdy and it's not as delicate as some of the other shoes, so I don't have to be as careful with when I'm wearing them as the other ones I have to be. These the buckles on the side are actually adjustable, so that's nice. So if you have a narrow foot, these could definitely fit you. They do have these in another style with the two straps. I'll try to insert a picture of those as well, which are super cute. Obviously they don't have the patchwork on them because they are just two buckle straps, But this is another pair that gets a lot of wear from me. And these are also in a 39. So most of my shoes, like I said, are either 38.5 or 39 because that's my size. In European sizes, Italian sizes run just a little bit differently. This is my summer collection. I tend to not buy as many trendy shoes when it comes to sandals. I prefer to invest in a nice quality pair of shoes that can last me for years and years. And that's kind of why I choose to spend my money investing in more high quality shoes, not just because of the brand, but because I know that they're going to be around. They're going to be timeless. I can wear them whenever, with whatever. I'm here in Houston, so it doesn't get as cold, so I don't have to worry about not getting as much use out of the shoes. Obviously, it does get kind of cold here, but I can get a lot of wear out of the shoes. So I prefer to make an investment in my shoes. And I'm just a shoe girl. Like, I love shoes. I can go on and on about shoes. I have a growing collection of shoes that I just plan on increasing over time. And I just think they're an investment. And if I don't, want them anymore, I can resell them, which I have. I think of shoes as an investment, and that's kind of where I choose to invest my money. I think that's it. I named all of the shoes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.